Good morning. Today is the 16th. Oh, hang on. Let me get through my morning stats with y'all. Training readiness. 71 sleep score. Anyways, today is the turning point. I'm sick of feeling like shit. You're sick of feeling like shit. Let's change it. I don't want to be like, yes, I'm locking in, I'm looking in. No, I just want this to be my lifestyle. I want to do this every day. I want to love it and I want this to be my life, you know? Anyways, let's get out of this hoodie. Let's put on some activewear. Alrighty, let's weigh ourselves. You can't really see it because you're really high, but see where we're starting at. Alright, we're starting at 70.4 and I'm wearing LSKD. LSKD, I know. I don't think this really goes together, but whatever. And then LSKD. And then to stay warm, LSKD. Fully kitted out right now. And because it's cold and my long sleeve shirt is still in my car dirty, we're gonna wear this jacket, which is from Citroen. Citroen? I don't know. I don't think that's straight, but whatever. I'm very picky about my hair when I run. And even though it's like freshly washed hair, I'm gonna plait it. I can't do the ponytails anymore. Pre-run fuel. I'm having the banana bread one. I'm gonna have one of these. And I'm gonna be putting this on top of it. This on crumpets, game changing. Just 10 grams on a crumpet. Oh. We've got the banana bread crumpet. We've got the caramel top fill stuff. 400 milliliters of water. We're gonna add pre-workout. I honestly think I'm getting sick of this flavor. Like, I think I'm gonna need to have like two pre-workouts going at the same time. Sorry, OxyShred. I'm just not enjoying that. Perfect. That slaps. I need to get back on my creatine grind. I gotta go. Alrighty, T just pulled up behind me. So I'm going to get out of the car and go for a run. It's so cold though. I think I need to purchase the LSKD gloves because it's always my hands that are like the coldest. Oh, I don't want to get out of the car. Okay. There goes my heater. I'm so tired too. I have a sip of my pre-workout. I haven't had any yet, but I'm really weird. I don't love drinking my pre-workout before I run. But I think it's because I'm scared I'm gonna pee myself. But needing to go to the bathroom mid-run and there's not being a toilet around is like dead ass my biggest fear. Let's go for a run. Yay! Run done. Whew, we've got to skedaddle because I've got work. Normally I don't work on what day is this? Thursday. Normally I don't work on Thursday, but I'm covering and it's a holiday, so I got privates, blah blah blah. I'm a bit out of it after that run. Like, actually my brain's like fully not working right now. Oh guys, my Garmin is not connected to my phone properly. Like, it mustn't be. I'm gonna have to Google how to connect to my Strava because I've just realized that my Strava has not been updating at all. Not happy chappy, my guys. I feel like I might need to start experimenting with gels, but then like it's not a long, like, yeah, you're meant to feel like every 30 minutes or whatever. I'm only running for 45. Like, I did 5.5 Ks in 45 minutes. So outdoor workout done. Tick. Alrighty guys, I'm at work. I just saw I had some breakfast. I actually have something from Baker's Delight that I want to eat, but I've got to chuck it in the microwave because it's kind of stale. I took a bite and was like, oh fuck. So hopefully I put it in the microwave and it'll be revived, just because I'm feeling extra hungry this morning, which is so normal. I just ran, but yeah, gotta go to work. I'm the first one here, which literally never happens, but yeah, gotta go open up, do all that good stuff. It's okay. Today's gonna go so fast. I'm teaching preschool, but I'm only teaching our tiny age group, so 2 to 3, so that goes for like an hour. Then I have three 1 hour privates. Oh no, sorry, 2 45 minutes and then 1 hour private and then the staff meetings. Like, it's gonna fly by. It's an easy day, no stress. I best go in because I'm pretty sure it's time. 9 o'clock, time to clock on. So I'll see you guys probs after work because I don't love filming at work because I don't. Anyways. Alrighty guys, obviously I'm home. I did go to the gym. We did chest and shoulders. I was having the worst time. My gym anxiety was going off. My face was bright red and like I was so paranoid at the fact my face was bright red. Like I don't know why my work meeting, my cheeks just got like, I got hot or something. My cheeks got really red. And then I was just not vibing. I was not vibing with the workout. And so I didn't really film and I'm really sorry. But Hyrox Melbourne tickets go on sale in 12 minutes and we're gonna secure ourselves some damn fucking tickets. Also, low-key, Gymshark's Onyx goes on sale as well, allegedly at 6. I don't know, on their Instagram it says not for another 10 hours, but like it said Australian Eastern Standard Time was 6 p.m. So I don't know, and it's got the women's Onyx. And I am debating if I grab all 3 pieces or if I just get like matching with the boy, because I think we get the boy a red one. He already has it in blue, but like I'm gonna get one in red so me and him can match. And I really like the look of the tank. I don't know if I'd look good in the tank. The shirt would just be matching. Why are the men not getting a tank? Why do the men have a long sleeve with a hood and then the normal shirt? Where the fuck is their tank? Because imagine him in an Onyx tank and me in an Onyx tank. That'd be incredible. And the men's long sleeve is ugly. Sorry, I had to say it. I had to fucking say it. See, I'm just debating if I get what I can. I'm gonna focus on getting Hyrox tickets first and then I will jump over and try and get the Onyx stuff. Because honestly, if I miss out on the Onyx stuff, it is fine. But I literally saw it come up on my TikTok when I was at the gym at 4:45. And then I had a look and I was like, oh my god, it goes on sale. That's also literally the reason I haven't showered, because I was fucking ChatGPT being like, should I buy these shirts? Is it worth it? We have 9 minutes. I'm actually like stressed. Officially 2-minute countdown. 2 minutes. Thank God I got my tax return today, because like my tax return is paying for me to do Melbourne Hyrox. I hate getting tickets for events. They stress me out. You should see me trying to get fucking knockout tickets. So stressed. 3, 2, 1. What? Friday sold out. Proceed. I'm gonna get photos this time. Also, I got it for Saturday. Sorry. I'm like so locked in right now. Pause. Oh, I can't even do it on that one. I can breathe. That one. See you guys at Melbourne. Guys, apparently it's been live in Australia allegedly for 8 minutes and allegedly it's sold out. Like everything. I'm in shock. I don't even know what to do. Like watch. Alright, you can see it's telling me that there's sizes, right? I added it to cart. Out of stock. I'm just trying to get my hands on it. Just oh, this is depressing.